Hey, what's up my lunas and oppas? Today we're gonna make Korean fried chicken. This recipe is super easy, and if you don't want to miss any of my upcoming recipes, please consider subscribing. Alright, let's get started. First, we're gonna dissect our chicken wings into 3 sections. We're gonna do that by taking the drumstick apart, the wing, and the tip. All you need to do is find where the 2 bones meet and cut right into the joint. We're gonna do that to all the chicken that's left and put it inside a bowl that's big enough for mixing later on. Make sure you get a good grip on the chicken before slicing in. You don't want to hurt yourself. We are only using the drumstick and the wings today. As for the tips, we're gonna save it for chicken stock in another video. In the same bowl, we're gonna add half a cup of flour and 1/3 cup of cornstarch. Crack an organic, beautiful non-GMO egg in there and top it off with 2 pinches of salt and a little bit of freshly grounded peppers. Make sure you're adding it to taste. Now roll up your sleeves and it's time to get dirty. We're gonna mix these until there's no large clumps, then we can head over to the stove. For deep frying, I like to use vegetable oil. Bring that up to 350 Fahrenheit or 176 Celsius and drop the chicken in gently. No splashes allowed because we're not in a swimming pool. We're gonna cook these baddies for 12 minutes. Stir it around once a while to make sure the chicken is not sticking to each other. After 12 minutes, we're gonna strain these bad boys and let them cool down for a few minutes. They've all grown up to be beautiful golden brown. Just look at them, you should be proud. After a few minutes of sitting, they're going back in for a second bath. Frying them twice actually makes it even more crispy. This is my secret technique, so let's just keep it between me and you. While they're taking a second bath, let's prepare our sauce. 3 cloves of garlic and half an ounce of ginger. Mince into a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Follow that up by 5 tablespoons of ketchup. Make sure to be generous. 2 tablespoons of honey and a tablespoon of gochujang, which is a Korean fermented chili paste. Give it a good stir and let's go back to the chicken. We're gonna steal some oil from the chicken and we're gonna bring the pan to medium heat and add our sauce. With your favorite spoon, we're gonna stir the sauce around to let the fragrance out. Do not let the sauce burn. Take the chicken out and let the oil strain. After a few seconds of that, we can put it straight into the sauce. It's really important to keep stirring to make sure the sauce is coating the chicken evenly. The whole process took me about 5 minutes to do, and if you have a bigger pan, it makes it much easier and less messy at the same time. And that looks about done to me. Plate the chicken and add sesame seeds for extra flavor. We can also add green onions for extra color and flavor as well. And there's one last step. Don't forget to pour yourself a cold one while enjoying this beautiful dish. And if you're underage, this is not beer, it's just apple juice or piss. Before you click off the video, make sure to give it a like and share this with your friends who can't cook. I'm gonna go as far to say that this chicken is better than what I have outside and much more affordable as well. It was so good I had to go back for seconds. And until next time, see ya!